Up is yoga. Hey, Lorna. This is where we're gonna do yoga.
Going on with your body is it's good to just kind of acknowledge. I try never to ignore what's going on in my body. So I just wanted to bring it all out.
Finished yoga, and she ends with a message. And guess what? I got purpose. I already know what this means. You have completed yoga. Snack time.
Hey everyone. Hello. Welcome to the Wealthy House. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you.
Herbs that are perennials. These grow for a couple of years. They're productive. And so in planting these pots, you can mix them.
We're at a cooking demo.
I'm going to put my salt and pepper into the dressing as well for my salad. And then I'm going to I'm going to dress the bowl. So this is the technique I like to call it. This is spike, and you pick off those individually and throw them on your dessert. When you eat those, that individual flower.
Bend it over, girl. Touch your toes. Bend it over. And it's lunchtime. Of course, I fill my plate up. Lorna make me look fat as fuck.
I was eating.
Chad's is even bigger. On this bus, finna get crunk. Eyebrows on fleek. Barefoot.
Chocolate.
Oh my God, look how black you are.
Chocolate. Living her life.
Just don't know what to do.
Life.
A little bit of pool time never hurt nobody, right?
You said a little bit of pool time never hurt nobody.
Exactly.
It ain't never hurt nobody.
Greatest dress and the most beautiful dress I've ever seen in my life. Look at this girl. Yes! She about to get chose tonight. Just pulling up to the spot. Pulling up in the club.
Well, shit, can I snap?
Like, can I snap? Like,
I've been talking at a time, man.
Don't be doing that on my snap. So beautiful. About to be on fleek tonight. Look how nice it is out here. And then look at me. So nice. And then look at me. But make sure you're looking at me. Come on, weather. Come on, beach. Come on, Hamptons life. Yes. What do you call yourself? I'm a director, filmmaker. Look at my creepy best friend. She's smaller than a damn computer. Trying to walk on the beach without falling. But how beautiful is the Hamptons tonight?
It's still grooving.
Almost fell. But out here on the beach with my fave. Look at him back there snapping. You snapping or not? Bonfire, more fire. Chad, are we gonna make s'mores? Or not?
Baby.
Ew. Drunk in love. So white. On the bus, on the way home. Necklace is crooked. Just out here, you know. They are just talking about it. Let's say yes.